Hi, my name is Steve Johnson. I work here at Ikelite Underwater Systems in the service department. And today I'm going to make this video to show you how to remove and replace the toggle on your battery pack. The first thing you need to have is a replacement toggle kit. I would urge you not to remove your toggle if you do not have a replacement kit. The first thing you need is a 1/4-inch nut driver. And I find it helpful. Needle nose pliers, or you could use tweezers, are an excellent help, and also Q-tips to clean the toggle area after we remove it. So the first thing you want to do is take your 1/4-inch nut driver on the inside of the battery pack, slide it into the center of the toggle, and unscrew counterclockwise. And you'll notice that it will break loose because it is spring loaded. And then you can remove the toggle. Inside the toggle should be the 1/4-inch nut. And if you dump this out, you should have 2 washers and 2 springs. Now on the inside, you can see the toggle. And what you want to do is just with your finger, push that right out the back. And so now you have the toggle out. And if you examine the toggle, you'll notice that there are 2 flats on the end of the shaft. Those flats, this toggle fits directly down onto those flats. And that has to be orientated exactly correct when you reinstall it. So first of all, when you have this out, lay this aside. You can use some Q-tips, clean around the inside of the outside and the inside of the cavity where the toggle goes. Most of the debris is going to be on the outside simply because it's a 2 O-ring piston seal, so it's keeping all the debris toward the outside of the battery pack. So that's where you're going to concentrate on cleaning it up. Once you have that cleaned up, you take your new toggle, and just like we removed it, we're going to slide it in from the back. And the correct operation is the spring, then a washer, then the spring, and the washer. And you want to try to be careful to keep those kind of centered because it's you need to get this toggle back onto that shaft and then hold it in place until you get the nut on. You can notice the flats. You want to line this flat up just like you're putting in a cotter key. Should snap down flat, and then holding it with your thumb and your fingers, the back. Take your 1/4-inch, drop it in there. Use your nut driver. Catch that nut. Go counterclockwise, and you just want to give it, you don't want to over tighten it, but just a really good snug. And that's how you change a toggle on a battery pack. And if you have any questions, email us at ikelite@ikelite.com. And I hope this video helps. Have a great day.